All right, today I'm gonna go over today's setups. Well, I'm gonna try to create the setups a little late to the market. Um, okay, so the market had a nice little rally yesterday. I missed a little move, then it dropped down. I missed that move, then I tried to catch it here, and it went lower, and then it moved up, and I missed that move, right? So the levels were a 1 minute and a 5 minute, and the 5 minute got repeated twice. So let's go over the video quickly because we don't have much time. Market opens up in 20 minutes, less than 20 minutes. So first setup came right at the open. We can see that on a 5 minute time frame. When let's go forward, buyers came in here. Boom, got buy. Right, buyers here, buyers there. This is not the level that we want to see get retested. All right, it's a 5 minute candle that formed during the news time. All right, and we had quick absorption. You can see that price came down, and then price ended up having strong volume coming in at the open. So now we're looking for price to retest that area. Is that pen gonna open up? Alright, anyways, it didn't open up. I'm not gonna kill myself looking for it. So looking for price to retest this area right here, the 63.90 area, right? So we zoom in, we see price comes down, boom, retests it now, right? And then that's pretty much it. Price travels up to that new level where that 1 minute was, which is up there at the 40, 940. So here we go, right? So we got a potential sell here, but not gonna hold because it's still buying. And then boom, then we get that sell, right? Here's a sell. All right. Oh, then we get a sell right here to confirm. Want to see price come back and retest this area. So here we had the double buy, so buying, buying, buying. All right, go back one more time. We see that we had a buying candle, buying candle, buying candle. So this is confirmed that this is an area for price to go long. So now looking for a retest. Price retested it and then went up. You can see buying came in. Not very strong, but still strong enough to push price up. Now we got absorption and we got sell. All right, price sold. Okay, absorption and sell. All right, so now price, and we also got sell right here. Now price needs to clear these buying down here in order for price to actually move down. Eventually price comes down. You can see I drew my lines. Price breaks that, closes below it. All right, looks like it wants to buy. We're gonna come back to this level right here. We have selling right there. Price goes up, absorbs, sells. Now we enter right here. All right, boom, boom. Let's go short, and price basically just wrecks out low. All right, so we had to sell, level now set up, level moves. All right, this is where I tried to go long on a weak buy right here. So I tried to go long on a weak buy. I said, okay, so we had buy here, buy there. I thought price should come down here, but I got impatient and entered. I ended up getting stopped out right away. Price then travels through that level. You can see absorption happening. No buying yet. Price pushes down. You know, it sells. Selling here, but no selling yet. Now we get selling after this selling happened, right? So on volume, price pushes down, looking for it to go down to a little lower. And then, okay, it didn't find anything else. So market looking for a short. Couldn't find any price breaks back up above, all right, strong selling right here, breaks above it. All right, so now it retests it, no buying setup yet, breaks even higher, buying came in here, buying is there, good. It's very strong buying right here. You see that? That's this candle right there. That's that candle right there. All right, a lot of volume. Okay, right here, maybe enter here. All right, see if we can go, and then price goes and really rallies. All right, so the things basically, it's pretty much for this, it was the setup, the retest, the move, the setup, the retest, the move. All right, this one just move, the setup, the retest, the move. All right, so setup, retest, move, setup, retest, move. This even came a little closer, lower after it cleared all of this selling. Right, sell, sell, sell. It came back and retested. Right, which is kind of like what I need. Right, I like when price clears the selling and then retest. You see that the sell, sell, sell came back, retested. I wanted to get long here. Why did price react there? Right, let's see, absorption, right, no buying, and then price just moves. So maybe I wouldn't have gotten that one. Right, maybe not that one. Or maybe I would have entered there, right, and then it moved. All right, that's the end of the day. So setup, so the setup, the retest, the move. Probably I need to just write down setup, retest, move. Oh, there go my earrings. And that's basically how it went yesterday. So setup, retest, move. All right, so today I want to clear the charts a little bit and see what I'm working with. Let's hit the week real quickly. All right, so we're reclaiming that weekly low. I thought price was going to come down to here, but it didn't. It stopped short on me. All right. So I want to check here. I want to check here. And that's pretty much it. All right. So now we're kind of closing up that gap in a sense. We got about 11 minutes before the market opens. So let's see what information I can get from the charts. So yeah, I like that. Let's just get the bottom part. This can go. Let's run this through. Like that. Boom. Alright, so hopefully there's not a lot of information that I have to deal with, but we do have buying. So right now we're in a buyer's market. Alright, that's what we got going on here. The setup, the retest, the move. All right, and we got these to clear. All right, so those are all important. That's basically all I got right now. All right, let's go to NQ, and I'll be done in a bit. So NQ is fine. Not gonna too much bother NQ. We'll do settlement prices for both ES and NQ. Go settlement price. Alright, bet. Okay. So that's what we're dealing with. Got this for VIX. So the setup, the retest, the move. What are you looking for? All right. The setup, the retest, the move is the goal. All right, we're done. Okay. News-wise, nothing here. Should have an 8:30 news. Usually do, but no. Did I put it here? Yeah, put it on Thursday. All right, so Jolts at 10. The only news that we got is Jolts at 10. All right, cool. And then tomorrow, the pre-jobless claim, and then the main one for Friday. All right, so what I do with that? Well, I get into my trade evade, and I prep myself for that. Market opens up soon, Let me find my clock so I can put it out in front. Right over here. All right. So, boom. There, we're trading just one micro. And yeah. All right, so what I didn't do is go over my levels real quickly. So any support and resistance levels. Just stay. So we're in a 1 hour level right now. 30-minute level we're breaking through. It's a 15-minute-ish level. We got one here that we broke through sharply. So I'm definitely looking for something down here. 15 minutes. 5-minute level right here. That was created pre-market. And then we got a 1-minute level right here. Which I won't be holding my breath for. But there's buying right here, as you can see. But I like the 15-minute level better and the 1 hour level better. That 15-minute level was a clean breakthrough. I definitely want to see buying in there, which is right here. All right. I definitely want to see buying come down here and get an buy up price, which I think I'm going to remake this one. Just like that. Yeah, I want to see buying there. Okay. All right. I'll at you later.